Hi everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your Facebook private. This is the 2023 version, so I'm just going to launch my Facebook and go down to menu where I'm going to see my own account, and I'm going to go to settings, and there you're going to see privacy checkup. Right here, a guided review of the important privacy and security settings. Click there and you should do the who can see what you share, the orange one. Here you're going to be able to change your profile information, posts and stories, and block whoever you want to block. So I'm going to click continue, and here you should see your phone number, birthday, relationships, education, and you can make anything private to the public, to just your friends, or only yourself. Once you're done selecting all of that, you'll click on next, and you can also change whether friends, public, or no one can see your future posts, stories, and you can even limit your past posts by clicking limit down here, which I think is a nice addition, so you can change that as well. And lastly, you can also add someone to your block list if you want to do so. I suggest doing so right now to save you time, and then all you gotta do is click on next and be done with it. It is truly that simple, and you can do it all in one simple step by following this video. I hope you guys liked it and it worked for you.